You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. And yes, there is quite a big debate, by the way, if you want to learn more Shakespearean character names, more names from Shakespeare correctly, stay tuned. So how do you pronounce it? Well, there are different ways of pronouncing it, at least three. Macbeth with a M sound, Macbeth, as in McDonald, and that's more of an Irish and American pronunciation, Macbeth. Now, the second one is with the schwa, a M sound, Macbeth, alright, Macbeth, which is kind of in between the other two. The third one is Macbeth, with a Mac sound, an A sound, Macbeth, Macbeth. In all cases, you stress on the Beth. So, Macbeth, Macbeth, or Macbeth, and that's more of a regional accent difference. But let's say, because it's Scottish, it probably should be more Mac, alright, rather than Mech, which would be more American or Irish. But, you know, some people say it Macbeth or Macbeth. It's just a slight variation on the same thing. But if you go Macbeth with a Ma sound, you're safe. Macbeth is absolutely correct. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.